world of constant financial noise, the market can feel like an indecipherable storm of numbers and fleeting trends. It's a chaotic symphony of flashing tickers, expert opinions, and conflicting advice, leaving many feeling lost and overwhelmed. But what if you could silence that noise? What if you could transform that dizzying chaos into a single, clear line, a defined path forward, guided not by chance but by knowledge? This is the very beginning of your journey into the world of trading, where confusion gives way to clarity and a solid strategy becomes your compass. The journey to becoming a proficient trader does not start with a lucky guess or a hot tip. It begins in quiet study, poring over the foundational principles that have governed markets for generations. True understanding is built upon a bedrock of knowledge, the kind found within the pages of classic financial texts, where timeless wisdom has been distilled. This is where you learn the market's fundamental language. It's about grasping the core dynamics at play, understanding the forces that move prices. Imagine a powerful bull driving its horns upward. This is the essence of a bull market, a period of rising prices and optimistic sentiment. Conversely, picture a formidable bear, swiping its paw downward. This represents a bear market, characterized by falling prices and prevailing pessimism. Knowing how to identify these fundamental states is the first step toward navigating the market landscape with confidence. With this foundational knowledge, you can approach the tools of the trade. The modern trading interface, with its sleek charts and immediate execution, is your gateway to the market. It might seem intimidating at first, but each element serves a distinct purpose. The charts are not just random lines. They are visual stories of an asset's past performance, offering clues to its potential future. Your focus will narrow to the essential controls, the buy and sell buttons, which become the instruments through which you execute your well-researched decisions. This is where theory meets practice, where your analysis translates into decisive action. Every click is a deliberate move, part of a larger, carefully constructed plan. However, a plan without protection is merely a hopeful wish. This is why the principle of risk management is non-negotiable. Think of it as a tightrope walker, moving with focus and precision high above the ground. Their skill is undeniable, but it is the safety net below that allows them to perform with confidence, knowing that a misstep doesn't have to be a catastrophe. In trading, this net is your risk management strategy, setting stop losses, managing position sizes, and never investing more than you are prepared to lose. This discipline is what separates a calculated trader from a gambler. On one side, you see the frantic, emotional trader driven by fear and greed. On the other, you see a calm, disciplined individual, making rational moves based on their strategy, unswayed by market hysteria. The choice of which trader to be is entirely yours. As you absorb these principles of knowledge, strategy, and discipline, you are not just learning to trade, you are undergoing a transformation. The market ceases to be a place of fear and becomes a realm of opportunity. You are stepping into a new day, equipped with the tools and the mindset to begin your journey the right way. Just as the sun rises over the city, casting light into the shadows and heralding a new beginning, you too can start your well-informed trading journey today with a clear vision and a steady hand. The path forward is illuminated, waiting for you to take the first step.